Mastering collocations. Rarely visit. Demystified. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our series on advanced English vocabulary. Today, we're focusing on a special topic under verb plus adverb collocations, specifically, the collocation, rarely visit. So, what exactly does it mean when we say we rarely visit a place or a person? Let's dive in and find out. When we say we rarely visit something or someone, we mean that we do not often go to that place or see that person. Rarely is an adverb of frequency, and it denotes a very low frequency of an action. In this case, the action is visit. It's a simple, yet expressive way to convey that an event doesn't happen often. For instance, I rarely visit the museum, means that the speaker does not go to the museum very often. To understand the usage of rarely visit better, let's look at some examples in different contexts. Despite living close to the beach, I rarely visit it. My cousin lives in another country, so we rarely visit each other. They rarely visit the city center due to the heavy traffic. These examples should give you a clearer idea of how to use rarely visit in various sentences. Now that you understand how to use rarely visit, let's learn how to enhance our sentences using this collocation. It's important to remember that you can use rarely visit to bring nuance and specificity to your language. Consider the following. Instead of saying, I don't often go to the library, you could say, I rarely visit the library. Instead of, we don't see our grandparents much, try, we rarely visit our grandparents. These replacements add a sense of sophistication and accuracy to your English usage. And that wraps up our lesson on the collocation, rarely visit. Remember, it's a powerful phrase that can add subtlety and detail to your sentences, allowing you to communicate more effectively in English. We hope you found this video helpful. Continue practicing and incorporating these collocations into your daily conversations, and you'll soon master them. Happy learning!